Deleting a transaction means removing the entry from the database. Reversing a transaction means adding a new entry that negates the unwanted entry. If the transaction hasn't been billed, it's generally easiest to delete it. However, if the transaction was billed, then it can't be deleted. To get rid of it, it must be reversed. Before we learn more about deleting and reversing transactions, let's understand collective posting. When transactions like client payments or trust deposits are posted together in a batch, they're grouped and posted collectively to the general ledger as a single transaction. For example, this collective trust deposit for $1,350 consists of 3 trust deposits that were posted together. If you need to remove a transaction within a collective batch, either posted or billed, always reverse that transaction. Don't try to delete it. Deleting one transaction will delete the entire collective batch. Let's look at the general procedure for deleting a posted entry. To delete an entry after it's posted but before it's billed, open the window where the posted entry is listed. Highlight it and click Delete. Note that the option to delete entries is only available if Company Preferences has Allow Ledger Deletions checked and has Accounting Method set to Cash. But don't change your accounting method to cash just to delete entries. Remember, if the entry has been billed, it needs to be reversed. Reversal procedures are different depending on the type of entry. Let's review each procedure. Enter a client payment for the same payment amount, matter number, and deposit account as the original payment, but add a minus in front of the payment amount. This will make it a negative client payment. Before posting the reversal entry, change the deposit date to the date of the original incorrect payment. Enter a trust deposit for the same amount, matter number, and trust account as the original trust deposit, but add a minus in front of the amount. This will make it a negative trust deposit. Before posting the deposit, change the deposit date to the date of the original incorrect deposit. To reverse a trust check, void it. If you need to reverse a transaction from a trust check that was applied to multiple matters, but only need to reverse it on a small number of those matters, and would prefer not to avoid the whole check, follow these steps. Enter a trust deposit on each matter for the amount of the withdrawal that you need to correct on that matter. Before posting, change the deposit date to the date of the trust check you're reversing. To reverse an AP check, void it. Find the original journal entry within the Journal Activity window. Note the journal number for the transaction you want to reverse. The journal number field shows both the number, for example 1, and the type, for example receipt. Select GL Reverse Journal Entry. Enter the journal entry number and type. Click Reverse. If you would like to prevent a transaction from appearing on the client's next invoice, change the billing status to Billed for the reversal entry.